All right. So as you might guess, these are the game 2 contestants. This is the other half of our Elite 8. And Bill, we'll see who's going to go against Michelle for the another $500 and the chance at the $2,000 bonus question. And they were saying, well, I hope our questions are just as easy as those were. So here's game 2 for Who Wants to Be a Mathematician. Same rules apply. There won't be a practice question in this case. We'll start out with the real thing right from the beginning. Any questions from the contestants? Besides, our questions are going to be as easy as those. So here we go. The contestant, we'll introduce the contestants for game 2 in alphabetical order, and I think they are seated in alphabetical order. So there's Talia right there, Talia Khan from Xavier College. Jiayang Lee from Desert Mountain High School. Jocelyn Mendoza from Trevor G. Brown High School. And next to her is Caroline Penny from Gary J. Berberger Young College. And like I said, this will be the real thing. For 100 points, what town are we in? Is it A, Glendale, B, Evansdale, C, Chippendale, or D, Dalebred? All right, we'll see how question 1 went for 100 points. Everyone knew it was Glendale, very good. Nice going. Here comes question 4. Nothing in alphabetical order here. How many real solutions are there to the equation 1 plus 1 over x, that quantity over x minus 1, equals 3? Are there no real solutions? 1, 2, or more than 2? Right, so it might be hard to find exactly what the solutions are, but how many there are might be a little bit easier, even though it's not the easiest thing in the world. Maybe, once again, the audience, how many people, how many people think it's A, none? It corresponds to the answer, actually. How many people think it's B1? How many people think it's C2? And there's someone at the door. How many people want to let her in? At least one, good. How many people think it's D more than 2? Okay, and that was a confident clap too. Again, a very popular election. C sounded like the favorite. We'll see what the correct answer is. It was C. One person got that right. Very good. Who got that right? So Jiayang, do you think you got it right, or are you pretty sure?
I mean, I got it right. I don't know if my hand got it right or not.
Oh, and because you probably don't know, but at the same time, Jocelyn raised her hand as well. And are you pretty sure you hit C? So we'll see the score now. And we'll try to puzzle it up. So Jiayang, you have 600 points. You got the first one right, so you might not. It's hard to tell. And Jocelyn has 500, so I think Jocelyn did hit it. All right, and then Caroline is very close. Caroline has 400 points and Talia has 100 points. So Jocelyn, we figured out that you got it right. How did you get it right?
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, when I started off with the first equation, I just cross-multiplied the fraction.
Yeah.
And then I got a new fraction, I cross-multiplied that fraction, and I ended up with x plus 1 equals 3x squared minus 3x, so it would be x squared equation, which would be 2 solutions.
Yeah, it's one of those x squared equations, right? And then you want to actually look at the discriminant to make sure that there were 2 real solutions, and it turned out they were, so that's good. Now we have the microphone on, so when the contestants take the qualifying test to qualify to be in the game, they also write down at the end, the last question is what they would do with the money if they won the money. So Jocelyn, what would you do with the money if you won the money?
Oh, well, I wrote that I would, since I'm a senior and I'll be going to college next year, I would need it for college. So yeah, that could be going into, because of the family contribution part of college.
All right. How about you, Caroline?
My church is working on building a new building, and so the money would go to that.
All right. And how about you, Talia?
Probably college too.
College too? All right. And Jiayang? You might as well use the microphone. I think they heard Talia, but you can use it.
Okay. My science team at school is going to nationals, so I'm going to donate the money to help us fundraise.
Really? And so the nationals aren't in Glendale?
For Science Month, yeah, in Nebraska.
Nebraska, all right. So